At SimpliSafe, your safety is the only thing that matters. Our advanced home security system is designed with cutting-edge technology, powered by Fast Protect technology, and 24/7 professional monitoring. Smarter ways to detect motion, HD security cameras, and sirens designed to stop intruders in their tracks keep your home safe inside and out. Here's how it works. You can control the entire system right on your phone, from anywhere, with the SimpliSafe app. The system has 3 armed states: home, away, and off. When your system is armed for home, it activates all your window and door sensors, but it keeps your motion sensors off so you can move about your house freely. When your system is armed for away, it activates your motion sensors inside your home for additional protection. In either mode, if someone does try to break in, a sensor will be tripped, which sounds the system's powerful siren while instantly alerting our 24/7 monitoring center. Unless you cancel the alarm, you'll immediately receive a call from a monitoring expert. And unless you provide your safe word, like this for example, police will be on their way. The SimpliSafe system comes with additional safeguards: a silent panic button so you can get emergency help without alerting anyone else in your home, and a duress pin, a code you can enter if someone is forcing you to disarm your system that secretly tells us to send help. Advanced home security, 24/7 professional monitoring for less than $1 a day. There's no safe like SimpliSafe.